I'm Gbadebo's rival and I'm Labour Party candidate for Governor of Lagos State.
Waiting there, who your madam now?
You don't go calm down. Maybe you be the first person who will come here. So you calm down.
Eh? You don't know how many hours I don't spend here?
How many hours wait? You go work hard. Because maybe you be the first person when they come here.
Work hard for what? You know so that we get this clinic.
Which clinic where you get? You buy this first aid boss.
See this one oh. I go sack you come out for this clinic.
Now you get maybe go sack in fact come out.
Make I come out.
See.
Just every like something they worry you. Something they worry for you, Abi.
Calm down.
No, they tell me to calm down, Oga. When you come here, you know how many hours I don't spend here before you come. They tell me make I calm down for what?
Calm down now. Small time now, madam go see come.
See, you go come out from that seat where you there.
Me? Come out from which?
I go tell you that we start this clinic.
No, no, it no make sense. It no make sense.
Just wait, make doctor come, yeah?
No, she dey come.
Wait, make it come.
She dey come.
Wait, make it come.
She dey come.
I'm coming. Emergency. I'm coming. Calm down.
Dr. Maria, Amasiama, wonderful Maka, original doctor. Dr. Maria, Amasiama, wonderful Maka, original doctor. He, original doctor. Amasiama, sabi wetin they do. Dr. Amasiama, number one of Umaka. She's a big rama, She's a bee.
Oga, come make a chuki injection.
Won't you come to you?
Oga, come
Come
make
on, come on, get away, you. Are you the doctor here, or it's not me? Hold it, hold it. Open it.
Go.
Bend it down.
Bend down.
Bend the hotel. Hey, bend the hotel.
Oh, you won't fight.
Bend the hotel.
Took you something.
Wait, I'll give him scored.
Wait a minute, we'll give injection. 60 and a half.
Bend the bonbon. Bend the hotel.
Oh, this is more begin now.
Leave it.
Stand up, oh. Carry sickness if you will ever.
Took.
They go.
Go and set it down.
You can do.
Yeah, bros. Sit down. The 60 and a half. Go here.
You see, I treated you na free. I know today is not your first time of coming here. Akuya? So now today you are a free giver. I treated you for free. So go and told the world that Dr. Maria Amasiyama, the CEO of Amasiyama Clinic, that my medicine is working. Do you hear?
Yes, madam.
Now want away, don't pay money.
Okay, thank you, madam.
Okay,
Dr. Maria.
Dr. Maria.
Amasiyama. One.
You can went away. You saw it?
No,
I know that what I do.
I know what you
I
can do.
treated people here for free.
I know what you can do, doctor.
This is the world, is not my people. So we work it together. Fadendo, harelem, harendo ta, harelem, wash it.
Ejime! I know, I trust you. That is why in I will always come to you.
So told me what brought you here.
I expect say as a doctor, you go check me now. You know what will be my problem.
It's all right.
Dr. Maria Amasiyama, one of Fumaka, original doctor. Dr. Maria Amasiyama, one of Fumaka, original doctor. Yeah, original doctor. Original doctor. Amasiyama, Zubby waiting to do. Dr. Amasiyama, number one
yes.
of Fumaka.
You have him.
Have what?
You have him.
Kediyembu.
You see, your ukutungas. Your ukutungas. Everywhere is jamming like a caterpillar. Told me my problem I saw. Came here. Roundabout so that you documented. Came here. Stood. Let me tell you. You have a problem. Oh, Tego. Yes. The problem you have here is Obajigo. It have stated that you did that. Told me When is the last time you did that? Yeah. Fuckingizer. Fucking. When's the last time you did that fucking? What I'm trying to tell you now is that you need the real wine. Ewa, you wasisia. Ewa, you wasisia. Ewa shaya le no gunuku. Nyopo. Nyopo akam. It is done. Oh, dogo, doro, and no more gabe. Okay, good. So told me. Am I lying?
No, I am just confused. Because I've been saying only doctor you be. I don't know say you be prophet join. You are very correct. My wife has been starving me of sex ever since she joined her new church.
You see how? Did you ask at me before I spoke it? Did you ask at me before I spoke it?
I am surprised.
No! My name is Dr. Maria. I see it in the black and in the white. You see? You said your wife daughter did what?
Since she joined her new church, I know they sleep with her.
Okay, let me tell you do something. Don't you think that it is the pastor is helping you to bear your way? Yes, the pastor is helping you to jam location your wife.
The pastor is touching my wife?
See, I did not told you to go and told them that I'm the one that told you. I just told you. Yeah. But what I saw here, here is food. Here is food.
My pastor's, my wife's pastor.
You need to know. You need to know. It's not a sin. God told us to go into the world and know and multiply. You hear?
The pastor is touching my wife.
No, I am telling you that it is a possibility. It could be what it is worth. Yes, now. Why are you looking at me like that? Come and go back to your duties. Do you think it is everything that you put it here down? This one is a mature dead work.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So they still went back to the hospital. Eh? Blessing. How many times have I warned you to stop wasting my son's money in those hospitals? Go to Dr. Maria and check what is wrong with your womb.
Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, please don't stress me. I'm already stressed today. Please don't add to it. Please, there's nothing wrong with my womb. I'm okay. With good deeds and God will bless me with my own child. And besides, you don't need this baby more than I do.
Mama, please, let's not go over this again. Biko, like my wife said, babies will come at God's own time.
Mba! God will not come from heaven to help you. Because heaven help those who help themselves. Your blessing. How am I sure that you still have a womb? Do you have a womb at all? I'm asking you.
Mama, please stop this now. How can you say such a thing to my woman?
Mama, please, I beg, leave me alone. Just leave me alone. Like I said before, my womb is okay. Stop stressing me. Biko, ayes nam sobu.
Mama, please, let's not start arguing about all these things. Please, just take it easy with her. Please. It's not our fault. It's beyond our control. Please, Mama, don't make her feel worse. Oh?
How can a full-grown man like you condone this kind of thing for a whole 5 years no issue. And you're comfortable with it.
Mama, please. Please, stop all these things, eh? If you can see I'm already sweating. I don't need all these arguments of eating, Biko. Please.
Look at them. Who knows what he used to hold my son? Who knows the charm he used on my son?
The only charm I use in holding your son is love and understanding.
Love will work, but it will expire. That charm must expire. Hey!
Amasiyama, sabi wetin he dey do. Dr. Amasiyama, number one of Umaka. She's a big rama, she's a big illusion, she's a big rama, helele. She know they look with your face, so she know one know will be. She know they look with your face, so cause she know one know. I wait till you they do. She go tell you anything what you see for your body. If you carry yama, she go tell you, oh. She go tell you something. She go tell you something. Original doctor. Oh wait, Dr. Maria Amasiyama, wonderful maka. Original doctor, Dr. Maria Amasiyama, wonderful maka. Original doctor. Original doctor. Original doctor. Now she be the original doctor, yeah. Maria, no original doctor, yeah. She be a Benge, yeah. Oh, Benge, yeah. She go treat you well, aha. She be your Benge, yeah. Oh, Benge, yeah. She go treat you well, aha. Skimpo lelele, skimpo ya, skimpo lelele, aha. Skimpo lelele, skimpo ya, skimpo lelele, aha. Dr. Maria Amasiyama, wonderful maka. Original doctor, Dr. Maria Amasiyama, wonderful maka. Original doctor. Original doctor. Original doctor. She go tell you something, original doctor. Oh wait.
This one is hard for me to accept. So, how can my wife be sleeping with her pastor? But Maria is known to be a very truthful person. In fact,
She's one of the most respected people in this land. My own 10 commandment keeping wife, sleeping with her pastor. No. There must be a mix-up somewhere. That woman understands God and obeys His commandments. She can't do that to me. She can't.
How are you feeling right now? You see? She's fine. Ejima, go and butted her mouth. She go drink mouth. Akwe? You lose weight. When you drank mouth now, your strength weakened back. You hear? You see it?
Hey! Hey!
What is it? Ogono.
Hey!
Oga talk no wetin be hey. Ana shout here.
Hey!
Ogono.
Hey! Thank God, Dr. Maria. Thank God, Chukwu Goziegi. My wife has been sleeping with her pastor. I'm not just sleeping with her pastor, sleeping with her pastor on my bed.
Does it be a new thing? Does it be a new thing?
It is an abomination in this village for a married woman to sleep with another man.
It's not a new case. It's not a new case. I told you that your wife is not sleeping with your pastor. Dr. Maria, I see it in the black and in the white. I see it in spiritual. Yes, I saw that everything and I told you the truth. So you see,
if I had slept with her not knowing she has started sleeping with another man.
You know, when I told you this thing before, you said that no, it is William. You see, let me tell you something. God is using me for a lot of wonders in this community.
I have seen it.
Look at this girl they brought here. Nah. She's okay. No.
Thank you.
Stood down. Stand up and testify. Let's the one.
If she had slept with me, stand
up. Move it like this. Move it. Turn that back. You saw it.
I'm seeing it.
When I bring in this girl here with my entourage.
I saw her.
I came in here with my entourage with her. She's a dead.
I was seated here. I saw her.
Now she's alive. You get?
Okay.
So go and thank your chi that Dr. Maria sorted everything and told you.
Thank you
if
first.
Not, you would have beaten a dead man.
Thank you.
Your hand in no.
Hey!
If not, you would have beaten a dead man.
Go on. You go drink more than milk. You go drink more. if in what back here, I'm going to hear I don't go back for you. I know Makachugo come and short my ball when I'm going to buy. That's what he deserves. It's more than you. Back a share of me about himself, even if get this that way that spring self. Only can afford more than me. Come over with anything. Come here. Come here.
That man that came here, how much did he bring get?
7,000.
7,000. 7,000. Are you sure you record them? You sure you record them? You sure? You record them?
So this picture is still here?
Yes, it's for decoration. Do you like it?
What? Decoration? How dare you talk nonsense? Now picture in Zoom is a decoration. It's shadegama. Don't repeat it next time. Or when you shock them.
Good day, doctor. How are you doing? Oh, I remember. Beautiful, beautiful. I love that. Good day, Dr. Maria Amasiyama 1. Doctor, what you are doing to me is not fair. You don't take my calls. When I come around, you don't give me attention. What have I done wrong? Please, say yes to me so we can seal this marriage. I want to make you my wife. The mother of my unborn kids. Please.
See, let me tell you, you wasted your time. You are gonna wasted your time. Ibonye wayo. Your prince, money ibonye wayo. I've told you before, and I am telling you again. My heart, na my soul, belongeth to Izumi here.
Let me ask you a question. How long do you intend to wait for a man that traveled abroad to fix his life? How long?
Forever and ever. No. Forever and evermore. Yes. I go wait until I tired. Yes. So stop coming. Stop wasting your time and coming here. I go send you now. Please. I want to correction it something. Every day you came here, you give it him money. You give it my worker money. You give it my people money. Please stop giving them money. I cannot pay their due in kind. I don't have that money to pay in cash. If you came out here and said, hey, Maria, you did not agree yet for what I told you. You did not agree yet to marry me. Give it me back all the money I spent on you. I don't have money to pay back. Not for cash, not for kind.
Dr. Maria, I have been to so many countries. I have seen so many girls. Fair, black, indigo, albino, Chinese. Yes, but none of them tickles my fancy. But when I set my eyes on you, I lost my hold. Yes, doctor, I am not here after your beauty. I came here with genuine love for you. All I'm asking from you is your attention and your time.
If you don't tell gone, oh, but we're gone. I've been here. I've been here. I've been at Abino. I'm Rihanna. Izum, do you know where he was? He is in Abu Dhabi. He is coming back.
He's Chinese.
Yes.
Coronavirus.
Sir. Look at Mother. Come here. Corona go.
Corona indigo.
He's in Corona indigo in Obodo making money, and he's coming back to took me. Stop coming. It does not. I go. I don't want you. I prince.
Dr. Maria, I want to tell you one thing again. One bed at hand is more than 35 beds in the bush.
Say you buy you 35 bed in bush.
35 bed
in bush.
That is not what I meant. What I mean is that one bed at hand worth more than 35 beds in the bush.
Okay, say one bed will buy you 35 bed in bush.
Whichever way. What I'm trying to explain to you is the person you're seeing right here is better than the person you are not seeing. You don't even know if he's dead.
You are dead. You are dead. You see who is dead? His own is dead. Be careful. Be careful. Don't forget nonsense. Let me tell you. Izumi here is coming back for me. No come. No came around.
You don't even know if he's married to a white woman. I'm telling you the truth.
Hey! Asu. Married to Gono.
Lilo. White woman.
Izum can never cheated on me. Izum, can you ever cheated on me? Never. Woke marama. He's smiling. Woke marama. Woke turuguno ganye yeto. Woke na abute li forma. Afudimpa afoglogifia. Afudimpa emegono afoglogifia.
Yes, afudimpa. But you've not seen man. I said you've not seen man.
Yeah.
Afudimpa afoglogifia. You've not seen man. Have you seen man? When you see man, you confess. Then you compare.
He's looking for something. Or something here.
You've not seen man.
Okay, what? Go, went away.
I know you like Dr. Maria and you want to marry her. But you're not giving me what I want. If you're giving me what I want, now you want to be going rigor. Just give me money. Let me come now. I'm not struggle so that you're not gonna straight road. Be giving me what I want. Slap you on a fish. Baka. Who is Izuna? Is Izuna still alive? Just be giving me what I want.
Let me tell you one thing. You know, money is not my problem. And money can never be my problem. Please, all I want you to do for me is to talk to her. Yes, I love her from the depth of my heart. And I'm ready to do everything, anything for her. Just talk to her. As for money you're talking about, I will give you enough money and right now. Wait, let me surprise you. Alright, hold this for now. Money is coming on your way. All I want you to do is to cement this work for me.
Don't worry.
Alright?
I'll even plaster it.
Beautiful, I love that. Beautiful. I love that. Okay, I have to go my way now. Take care of yourself.
Bye.
Dr. Maria, I'm a Siama. Wonderful Maka, original doctor. Dr. Maria, I'm a Siama. Wonderful Maka, original doctor.
If I sanded you, your eye, your
eye like this.
Eh? Am I the one that told you to seek? I'm helping you here to tell you now you're crying. Come on! See, if I keep it to your hotel one side now. Keep it to your hotel one side now. See this thing now you go for if you shake it to your hotel. Don't worry. Bring out the bandage.
Okay, there.
Toka it.
Oh
yeah.
Come on. Small boy,
if I Sunday do here now, if I Sunday do here.
Small pinto, see you imagine so. Hey.
Hold them. Wait. My phone is ringing. My phone rang.
No, baby. Stay one place.
Dog. Nikki.
Dog.
You know I know how to shoot injection.
Chukonye.
Don't just let
You have to come on my complexion. If this boy got complexion. Pocket it. You gonna know baby? Hey!
No, go calm down.
I don't understand. It is a video here they play. I beg you. Pocket it. Hey, I don't talk my English. Hey, you know, no baby. Are we playing? Confirm. Hey. They want place. See? Ah. That's small boy. I dey pity him. Hi. Mommy, leave him now.
What's happening here?
No, nothing.
Yeah, I don't take injection.
Who told them to alleviate the injection at the hotel? No. Who told them to remove the injection and keep it in the hotel?
Oh, my compilation.
I
And the population, what?
Take your time. Let that be your first and the last. If you are your injection hotel. Do you hear that?
Yes, sir.
Go and stand there down there. Next person to enter here. Go and stand there down there. Call there the next person.
Next person.
Go and call the next person. Next person.
Never eat.
Come on.
Maria, I'm a Siama. Wonderful Maka, original dancer.
Assam, Oyoyo, my one and only blessing. Hey, and Oyoyo, I don't know, I'm just so happy. Tell me, anything you want, I will do it for you. If it's Tolo, I can even enter the bush and keep plenty, like 4, 10 for you, because I'm happy.
My husband. This one you're being so caring, so lovely, so sweet today. Wamkediyo, what is it?
Assam, tell me, have I not always been a lovely and caring husband? And that you can't deny.
Yes, that's true. In fact, caring is understatement. You have always been so sweet. Extra sweet. But to this own, there is something. Let it out.
Hey, my wife, the truth is this. I want you to visit Dr. Maria's clinic. You see, a lot of people have been testifying about our medicines. Please, I want us to give her a try. Please.
I know it. I knew there is something that made you to be giving me all this full package today. So it's just because of Dr. Maria. I know it. But it's okay. I'll follow you to that place. But I know that humans don't give babies. Babies come from God Almighty. To fulfill all righteousness, I'll follow you. Okay?
Thank you.
Are you happy now?
I'm happy. You see, let me tell you the plain truth. I know babies don't come from humans. What do you say? God can use anyone to bless us. Please.
It's okay. I've accepted to go. Okay? I know that is the reason you've been giving me all this full package love.
The plain truth is that I love you and you know it. You are my one and only blessing. Oh?
You are happy now, right?
I'm happy. And for this,
see, that bushmeat, you're getting it from you.
Sure, I will do it for you. Okay? Not from Naya, Assam.
Okay.
My favorite man, I'm taking you to my Mama's Kitchen's spot.
Ozubo.
Oh, yeah, one.
Kanga cheji hapo.
Oh, yeah, one.
Maria, Amasiama, wanna fool my car, original Dr. Maria, Amasiama, wanna fool my car, original doctor.
You're not enjoying the bike. I told you.
Hi!
The bike is Colombo. I want a baby now.
I am very, very happiness. Hey! Look at the way you are flying like a plane. Hey!
When it comes to driving, I'm a pilot.
Paroto.
Hi. Pilot. Okay, just say plane driver.
Oh!
I'm a plane driver. Plane driver.
Plane driver.
Beautiful.
Paroto.
See ya, my sexy doctor. In fact, I can't thank you enough. Once again, thank you very much for making my dream come true. You see this bike that you bought for me? Huh? Just give me 2 weeks. I will make a whole lot of money from this bike, and I'll come and pay your bill.
Izumu. I know you are a hard-working man. I know it. Let me tell you, no woman, no man born of a woman will took you away from me. Agent here.
Original doctor. Original doctor. Amasiama, sabi wetin it dey do. Dr. Amasiama, #1 of Umaka. She's a big rama, she's a big illusion, she's a big rama, helele. She know they look with your face, so she know one know will be. She know they look with your face, so she know one know. I what you they do. She gon' tell you anything what you see for your body. If you carry nyama, she gon' tell you. Oh, she gon' tell you something.
Good morning, sir.
We don't come now.
I have a girl.
Che, I don't go say na I have go as usual na. What a lie. Che. Come on, check she say ke you na holo. Now they tell you what for go. As no man, I have it. Rock up go. You go be child ka bra.
I'll do this thing and I'm breaking your head. Are you mad? Don't you have a respected? Don't you know you respected your boss? Eh? Don't they told you that I'm your boss? Are you mad? By the way, it's now you came to work. How dare you came to work late?
Ejima swallow bottle. So I couldn't do internal bleeding. Bring them out.
Ejima swallowed bottle and you do dead him internal bleeding. See, I told you that you are a hypocrite. I told you that you are a stupid human being. I told you. You are a bastard. Today is na bottle. Tomorrow it's na needle. Today one nechi obrumoto. You swallowed moto and he internated beauty bleeding. The next time you try dead this next time, I sack you. Do you hear me? Nonsense. Unapwala. I don't know one. Orko ono kai ishara down mwa. Ondi hundi beribe.
But Doc, what were you thinking?
In Apwala, how did you ask me a question? Or what an hour? Or we share the gumma? We are doing this. Salute, master.
Hey, Joy. Come on, buddy, for that man. Or say so.
Salute, master.
Hey, that's you. Hey. Come on, mama, say so. Your name is Mother. Tawa, Izuzu. Hey, come on.
You don't get respect. The car is Izuzu. No people talk.
Confirm my nose. Hey. Okay, Izu, what to go see? I didn't know. I be go normally na. No be so. Chimpa. Toto Kabiko.
Come on, see so.
You do. Now, go inside the house. Wash it all the injection, especially the one we use to inject the madman. Okay? You know, that's about one. 2 madman. We have 2 madman here. So the long injection, you wash it. Do you hear? You can went away. Move. Go and wash it. With the miracle saya, with the miracle suraso, so that the jamness will escalate. Go. Wash and cook it there. Move away. I'm talking your student there. Hey, get back here! I am spoken in echo. You and me, who owns this clinic? No, you and Dr. Maria, who owns this clinic?
Doc.
And you came here to work late, and I am spoken in echo.
Yeah, sorry.
Neko gineko. Ikronya. Oye kineko diri kineko. Ikronya. Now, you read my lips. The next time you came here to work late, I sack you. Read my lips. I said read my lips.
1, 2.
Hey! How did you? How did you put your hand into my mouth in that walla?
You say that's your lips.
We counted the lips.
Now went away. Zuzu out. You are a fool. Give it, maybe go. Izu, you see, I told you, and I'm tolding you again. These children, this work here, are headache. They are giving me headache, and I go sack them. I go sack them, and I will employ another one. You talk anything? It's alright.
Original Dr. Maria. Amasiyama, wonderful Maka, original dancer.
Good afternoon.
No. How are you?
I'm fine.
Is this picture still here? Picture Belima. Is it still here? Take it down and put it in the dustbin. Put to that thing.
Hey. I cannot do that one. No, me, I no fit do that one. This picture now is like a god we worship here. And if Dr. Maria come back, you no go take him lightly with me. So, even say in the morning, I laugh 5, I can have a good morning, sir. I can have a good evening, sir. So, cannot remove it.
Or they can come on, bring it down. Or they can Do I look like I'm cracking joke with you? I can't do this if possible. Set it ablaze. I don't want to see this thing here again. Are you still sitting down? Come on, stand up from that. Can't put this thing down also, sir. If possible, set it ablaze.
Hey, I am bang. No say on a no say. I know if you do them, but on a command. Make you just change positions.
Are you sure you're okay? I heard the kiss phone. Eh? If I slap you, come on, bring it down also, so bad. I'll break your head though. Eh? Can you imagine? Nonsense.
Chai, Patrol.
Enough one. Idiot. If I see this thing here again, what I will do to you? Come on.
Get it, go name me Wi-Fi. Eh? Okay, when I will to now. Well, master. Eh? I don't see your master here. I don't see him there.
No, Angelita. No, Angelita. Eh? No, baby, she said make her come out. Control him.
Come on.
She can't slap me, slap me and the slap hard. She can't shock me. Can't be like say the program to Bluetooth speaker. Can't shock me. Now say make her come out.
Nurse.
So what you want make her do?
Nurse.
She slapped me.
Nurse, eh? See, eh? You don't fuck up. Wallah. You don't fuck up. Picture one with the worship. What with the salute? What with the bow to? What with the glorify? Now you remember, tell them, Holy is you. I beg, pray for us for today. You reach your turn, you carry throw away. That's what they do. You reach your turn, you carry throw away. Eh?
Never Tita say make her throw away am first. Tita don't kill me and Tita don't kill me.
No, see, make her tell. I think I did with this mad pikin. I think I did with this mad nurse. Even if na dog herself tell you say, remove this picture. You know say na set up. You know say na set up. You don't know. Make her tell you, eh? Like this, so, you are sacked. Yes, you are fired. After you go, just jejely go to our house. Our house. Our house now. Pack your things. Even leave this village. You are sacked for our village. For our clinic. You are sacked. Just run. Come on to go anywhere you want to go. You are sacked. Make I work out. Make I apply Leviticus because you don't already apply wahala. If doc meet us here and another wahala, so and you know that one. Make I tell you. You know that mortuary way do for Mundoba. Opposite is Suvilla. That mortuary now they lem idiots. That mortuary they want the body washers. That's and then as she is bottles. And as you shot like this, a guy you suit you with all moon and after day and night. So you suit you now make me inform you, Bobo. So as you depart, find yourself for that mortuary. So just get ready to prepare. Daddy, get ready for come on, buddy, for that number one doctor says so. Come on. Amasiama.
Took it inside.
Yes, so.
Hey! Oh! Abomination! Abomination! Yeah! Who did that? Remove the picture of Izumi here. Who did it?
and all of you here are looking at me, Anya. Huh? I said, who did
Anago.
Cherry? Oh, is he holding you here?
Anago.
Is he holding you here? Eh?
Anago.
Najirita say make I come out and there. She even slapped me herself.
Auntie Rita?
Eh?
And who is he? Who is he? Who is Auntie Rita? Hey! Auntie Rita! Dorita! Dorita! Ogene! What is it? How dare you? Ogene? How dare you told my worker? How dare you told my worker to remove the picture of his Zubby here? Ah, Biko, I am tired of seeing that nonsense boy's picture whenever I come to this place. If you are tired for seeing his own picture here, then he went away. I said if you are tired for seeing his own picture, it has never. Stop coming here. Stop. I will continue to come as long as I want. You owned it here. No, you owned this building. You built this house. Maria. Maria. For how long?
Dr. Maria.
Shut up. With respect. Shut up. For how long will you continue to wait for that riprap? Move on with your life. He's not coming back. You liar. You are liar. You liar. Let me tell you. Izumi went back to Obodoibo to pocket money. Izumi went back to Obodoibo to pocket money, and he's coming back for me. And he will come back, and I go put all the hater for shame. I go put all the hater for shame. Yes. I am standing in the gap for your mother, and I know she will tell you what I am telling you now. Remember, Izu Burunego. Izu is the cause of your mother's death. Yes, so. Accusation! Oh! Accusation! Have you forgotten? Accusation!
Accusation.
Have you forgotten?
Accusation.
Let me refresh your memory. You took your mother's money, including the money from the women's meeting, and your own money, and gave to Izu, and that led to your mother's death. You lie. You lie. Everybody in my village here, everybody in Aloma Kenga, know that Mama died at the right time. Yes, death came and Mama go. Everybody know. Am I not treated hypertension? Wait, am I not treated people of hypertension in this clinic? So why don't they die? Why don't they die? But Mama case came, she died. So her time came and she go. So please, I am warning you. I am warning you, and I am warning you now. Please, do never, ever, accusation is una again. Do never, ever, accusation is una again. Nonsense. Izu onye oshi. Epelima. Osaka. Aka na pocket. Izu is a fraud. Yes! Izu is a fraud. But Mana Maria, why not give the prince of this land a chance? That's fraud. If I slap both of you, you will say tinku little star. I'm talking, I still talking. Are you mad? So as I was saying, it's high time you gave the prince of this land a chance to love you as a woman. To love you, to cherish you. Because a woman is like a flower. In the morning it will blossom, shine. And everybody will want it. But Chijie, the moment it's evening, it withers. And nobody wants it. Make haze while the sun shines. A woman is like the flower. A woman is like the flower. In the evening, it wither, it die. A woman is like a flower. In the evening, it wither, it die. You see, Madam Advisor. Madam Advice. You are advising me here. Have you advised your children? Have you advised your children? Me and your daughter Orjiakor. Me and your daughter Orjiakor. Your daughter senior dead me with 5 years. You 5 good years. You told me,
Maria, you are insulting me.
Yes,
Maria.
So look at me here.
You are insulting me.
Go and told your children, give them that advice. After all, I have it in Zunda, and he's coming back for me. If he came back for me, we'll do marriage. Period.
From this to your mouth, you are insulting me.
Go back to your husband's house. Stop coming here.
Enough.
Go back to your husband's house
It's okay.
and stop coming here.
Oswola.
You hear?
Oswola.
Okay, come power brain now. Where is that picture?
In the dustbin, no.
Yes.
Dustbin.
Where it belongs.
Okay, dustbin.
Dustbin.
He's so bad, bro. He insult my Izu, but I will lift him up now. Man up, man down, God up. Man brought man down, God bettered man up. You know, go and brought the picture. Hang him with Buhari. Go and brought the picture. Hang down with Buhari. Kahana Buhari Moaka. Let me don't tell you that you brought his own now down. Then I brought him up. Nonsense.
Oh God, you.
Go back.
Which does me? The other, the one where go toilet.
The one where go toilet.
You get again.
Don't get respect.
You hear again? No, ma'am. Do that.
Okay.
Mwagi, if I slap you.
Easy.
Come down.
Easy. Biko. What is you're not supposed to hear now. Na hand. Put for hand.
No, sometimes they used to put it decent.
No press again, no press. You know no work. You know no work. Easy. You don't want me.
No, you won't
You
do
don't me like say I won't collapse. That's no press again. No press. No.
Hello, good day. Please, are you the Dr. Maria?
No.
Okay, she's the doctor. Please, we're here to see her, please.
Let me call her.
My name is Dr. Maria Amasiyama 1.
Okay, Amasiyama 1. Good afternoon. She's my wife, and we have been married for 5 years without a child. We are seeking for the fruit of womb. Someone who knows you very well directed us here. She said that you are very good in infertility issues, and that is the reason why we are here.
Ejime! Ejime! You heard that well.
Hmm?
You hear that well. What they told you is the truth. You see, my name is Dr. Maria Amasiyama. Why? I know it all. I treated the blindness, and I'm a Gwonyisi. I treated the leprosy, and I'm a Gwonyangworo. I treated the pregnancy. I bonnet the king, and I'm a Mongwa. I treated all kinds of sicknesses in Nigeria, in China, in abroad, in everywhere in the world. You hear? So you're welcome in my clinic. Amasiyama Clinic. You hear?
Thank you, doctor.
You heard it well.
Thank you.
You see, before I recommended the sicknesses for you or treated the disease for you, I go check it whether you're even there. I will check it a test result for you whether you're even there, your fertility, your fertility if it's germinating very well. Yes. I will run the test results one after the another. I will run it your own and I will run it her own.
You mean you have my own test?
Of course, because you don't know where the problem is coming from. It might come from you, or it might come from he. He here, it might come from you. You hear? So your fertility it might not be working like it should be working.
I don't think so.
Ejima.
Hey.
Ejima.
Hey.
Give it him narapa toma.
Toma? For what?
No, he will give it to a rapper toma, because before I look at the place, you will not wear anything. I will look at from inside and inside.
You look inside me?
You give it to a rapper toma. I'm waiting for you for inside my clinic. Brought you na there. Brought you na here. Hey, what I do there? That way the don't know where your work. You don't know where your work. You put it here. Is that where they did it? Is it here? What did you do?
It can't be done.
But I don't need this test now. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Dr. Maria Amasiyama, wanna fool my car, original doctor. Dr. Maria Amasiyama, wanna fool my car, original doctor. Original doctor. Original doctor. Amasiyama, sabi wetin he dey do. Dr. Amasiyama, #1 of Umaka. She's a big rama, she's a big illusion, she's a big rama. Helele.
Please don't do this.
Scatter your legs, scatter your man. Scatter your legs.
Oh! See. Doctor Maria.
Scatter your legs, scatter it. I'm bullying the ball.
Ouch!
I say you scatter it.
Ouch! What?
Hold it.
What?
Hold it with one hand.
What?
Hey! Up never! Come on. What are you?
What?
What the? Hey! When we come in, it can never be full leg. I am out of here. Go home.
What's that? Is she okay? I should lie down. Yes. What is going on here?
No, sir, here the savannah.
Want to see the light?
Yes.
If I slap you, you're probably get out of this place. Come on,
You want to carry it like that?
Nah, confronting.
You didn't put any light to that place.
Let me
You get what you mean? Our language. Light.
Let me remove the light. Light down. Let me remove the light.
If you carry them,
Get silly. Come on, take that this place.
she go tell you something. She go tell you something. Original doctor. Oh wait, Dr. Maria. I'm a Siama.
Spell is. Spell is. Spell is. Spell is. Easy. Spell I. Spell I.
E-Y-E.
E-Y-E.
I.
E-Y-E.
I.
Y-E-I. E-Y-E-I.
Hey.
Don't open it here. When you get it up, when you get it home, you open it.
Okay.
When you reach at home, you open it.
Home to open.
That is where the result it is.
Okay.
You can walk.
Okay.
You can went.
Thank you, doctor.
Okay, hold on. Walk it here. Go there na Mborogo stand. Mborogo stand here. I'm talking. You're looking at me. Here, bring this one. Olo, this one. No. Yes. No. Yes, this first one. Brother this here. What happened to brother?
Inside. No. Uh-huh.
You see, hold on. Wait. I'll give you the precipitation. When you get that home, Wagia, I added it tombo. Tombo. Nkwocha. Allow it to dare. Allow it to dare. As in,
is it
there?
It is there.
It is when it is there. When it is there.
It is there.
You drunk it. Allow it there. I did not say kai. I did not told you ungo. What I told you is what? Tombo. Nkwocha.
That's a bit too.
Yes. Then, but you have to eat head. Eat head very, very well before you drink it. Okay?
Yes. Sir.
Do you hear what I told you?
Yes.
Do not make it a mistake.
Thank you, Dr. Mario.
1 morning, 1 night. Short.
1 morning.
1 night. Short. Up Nepa. Up Nepa. Up Nepa.
Wakas.
Up Nepa.
Sisi ya kwede.
Hey! Every year. One question. You know this medicine that we give vets to these people now that went away, it belonged to Mazi Okeke. So please, I wanted you to go right now, go to the backyard, the cupboard where I put it in Borogo, brought it out, and put it back. You hear? You hear? Do not make it a mistake. Do not make what?
A mistake.
Big something, the hungry as you should. I want to arrange the city.
Go to the backyard and go and bring the
Now you they told the thing now.
Mama. Mama.
Baby, my love. Wait.
Where's my
Baby, wait. So, what kind of stupid godforsaken?
Let me look for mom.
Yeah, go do first.
Now.
Come. I will go to mama. What kind of godforsaken clinic was that? Look at. Did you see the signpost?
I saw it.
Did you see it? Somebody who cannot write clinic. Did you see it? I don't understand.
Not even see.
Wait, how can such person treat us?
Okay, good.
I thought you were more enlightened than this, Hey!
Baby, that doesn't matter. All that matters most is for this medicine to work, so that we can have our babies.
But baby, we would have gone to a very good hospital. Than that place. I almost threw up. Everywhere was smelling picky. I almost threw up.
Yes, I saw it. Everywhere was just smelling. Thank God you didn't throw up. Thank God. But Assam, you know we have visited all sort of hospitals, and none seems to be giving us any solution. Okay, you know what? Please, let's just focus on this, and let's see if something good will happen.
It's okay. Let's see the results. Let's see what she wrote there.
Okay.
What is it?
Is this shorthand this woman used to write something on this paper or what? Not talking before then.
What happened?
Take it. Have a look.
Maybe it's her handwriting now. Wait.
Quack doctor.
You see it? I told you.
Hey.
You see it? She cannot even write. Hey, my love.
Hey.
You should be. You see it? See it now, Dr. Wancha, Dr. Maria. She on our war typhoid, on our war HIV.
Hey.
She cures everything with one medicine. See it now. She cures everything with one medicine.
My eyes are even turning it just because I'm trying to read it.
Eh?
It's not Mama. Every time we should go to Dr. Maria. We should go to Dr. Maria's clinic. Eh? Then for there. Quack.
You see, she cures everything. She cures everything.
Oni, I know we are all about being positive, bad stuff and stuff like that. But please, I would not want you to take this medicine till I find out what is written on this paper.
Eh?
Yes.
Ashi, you lied.
Which one is Ashi?
I will take it. We paid for.
My friend.
I will take.
My friend will use for that.
It's a lie. I will take.
I'm coming.
We pay for the drug. We must take it. We must take Dr. Maria's medicine.
Hello? Is anyone here? Where your neighbor? Where could they have gone to? Hello, doc. Hello, nurses. Where could they have gone to? Hello? There's someone here. Hello, doc. Oh. Where are they now, eh? Oh. Hello? Hello? Welcome, nurse. Welcome. Hey, please excuse me. Nurse.
It's not my duty.
Huh? I just want you to help me. Eh?
slap yourself. I said slap at yourself. Slap yourself front and back. Is that one a slap? Is that one na slap? Now slap at yourself front and back. Okay, Samola. Slap yourself. Slap yourself. Slap at yourself very, very well. If I sound you you sweat it now. Do you sweat how he's... Look at it. Did you sweat it? You sweat how he slapped at himself. Oh yeah, slap at yourself that way. I said slap at yourself like that. Slap yourself. In Apwala. Eh? How dare you? How dare you? How dare you allow this man to see at my nakedness? This man came out here and budget into my privacy. You budget into my privacy.
I'm sorry. It was a mistake. Because
you are in... Hold it there. Do you know that this man see yet my even there? He budget where I was taking my bath and see yet my even there.
Did you say anything?
Njuogola with the way they will. If I slap at you now, Makachineke is one by force. It's one by force. Do you know what the man is standing there? It's my Izumu. It's the only Izumu that harvest my nakedness. And this man came out here and saw it free of charge.
Like I said, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry.
I said hold it there. Huh? You came in somebody's house. You did not knock or boy, who is here? Who is here? Oh yeah, no. You just budget inside. That means you wanted to see my nakedness before. No! You have been dreaming to see Dr. Maria Amasiyama one nakedness before.
Like I said, I am sorry. It was a mistake.
Get out.
Because...
Hey! Get out of here. Huh? I don't want to see you here again. Bounce. I said move it. I said come on, you zoom out of here, idiot. How dare you budget into somebody's house and saw it my nakedness? Enapwada. Pack your things and leave my house. Do you hear me? I said pack your things and leave my house now.
Doctor, sorry, sir.
I said pack your things and leave at my house.
Doctor, we are sorry. We are sorry.
Sorry for what?
We are sorry, sir.
Sorry, na give me. I give you license. You're serious. You see, oh, you bought Imalaso. You cannot speak almost right English.
We wanted to bring medicine, no?
You went to me. Who told them to go and brought medicine?
It's him that said it.
Him.
It's him.
You sended him.
It's him.
You sended him. You sended him. Now,
him.
pack your things and leave. Doctor. I don't want to see you here again.
Doctor, please.
Pack your things and leave.
Sorry, doctor. Sorry.
No.
Sorry, doctor.
I am anger. I am anger.
Emergency.
I am anger.
Emergency.
I am anger.
Emergency.
I am anger.
Emergency.
Emergency. Waka.
It's not working again.
Don't spoil it.
No, not you spoil
don't
me.
spoil
Not you spoil emergency.
You don't spoil her. From one wahala to another wahala. Maybe wahala.
You spoil her.
One wahala to another wahala. You self, I don't understand though. One wahala to another wahala. Oga, do that. Do him. You go do him. Make it siren. Walk up.
Baby. I'm asking you something. Talk to me. Why are you sad? Baby.
I am fine. I'm just exhausted.
Being exhausted does not make somebody sad. Talk to me. What happened at the hospital? What did she tell you? Baby! Talk to me now. What happened? Talk to me now. Okay, fine. It's obvious that we've started keeping things from each other. Just so that you are the one that started it though. You started it so. This is serious so. Baby! Okay, fine. You don't want to talk to me, right? You don't want to tell me what happened and why your mood is like this. Okay, tell me, what did she say about the result? What did Dr. Maria say about the results? Hey! I'm in trouble. Let it not be that this stupid woman Maria did not say anything about me. No, I must find out.
I have told you before, and I am told you again. I am angered. Packet all your property and go. I told you, packet all your property and go. I am angered.
Dr. Maria, one. This time will be the first and last time we go do it. We're going to use our hearts to guard this place. I beg forgive.
And that, we will build bathroom, especially made for you. At the time, I will go do.
You allowed a man to soil my property. All properties.
It's okay.
Leave.
It's okay. It's okay. Forgive them. They have accepted that they are wrong. Because to err is human, to forgive is divine. Forgive them.
And told them to go and look for divine Abemazi Okeke. That is where it are.
It's not that kind of divine.
Why did you allow that another man to saw my privacy? He came at where I am taking my bath, and he saw my property. Is it right? You allowed that another man to saw Izuna's property. Is it right?
You know right.
A property I keep it for Izuna. Only him. Oh, get him.
You want to apparel? Oh, it's not even about your dignity as a woman, but about Izuna, Osaka, not somewhere. Enjoying his life with other women, going around. Hi, Maria. Forget this guy now. Happen to this guy.
Is it not new? Or if for fool? Is not new? Or if for fool? The Bible talk. The Bible he wrote them. The Bible talk na men work Apollinus na nature. Yes. Men are polynous na nature. So me, I am here to submit her.
It's true.
Submit for him.
It's true.
I am here to submit her and endure.
It's true.
Yes. Izu is mine and I love him.
It's true.
How dare you get mad where I am spoken? I have told you to packet your load and went away.
Maria.
Please,
Maria.
forgive us. It will not happen.
Maria, you want to okay. You idiot. Don't have sense. Men are polygamous in nature. You are isogamous in nature. Open your eyes. Maria, open your eyes and see other men before you want Najaro.
I don't want them. I don't want them. I have locked it with key. If free here, if there. I have locked my Ivedia with the key and I have thrown the key into Naniva Niger. It is only going to open it when Izuna came back.
Sorry for you.
Yes.
Sorry for you.
Sorry for yourself.
Sorry for you.
Sorry for yourself.
I'm sorry, Malabuba.
Yes. I can only open it when Izuna came back. Period. He is in the Obodo making money to make me happy. So when he came back, then I opened. Who did this?
Dr. Maria, Amasiama.
One, no. Dog, na me the wash your own pictures, so na me the cleaner. Qualified doctor.
Dr. Maria, Amasiama. One.
No, that one is not bribe.
No.
This one is not bribe.
No, Dr. Maria, Amasiama. One. Nkambu.
Here you go.
Mumang.
Let me tell you, for me to forgive you now, apologize to him. Apologize to him. Hey, who did this? Shut up, officer. I said shut up. Shut up. I said shut up. I'm talking to you. What can I make you see?
Let's do silence.
Yeah, come. Where is that mad woman? Can I say that people call the doctor? Where is she? Where is she?
Yay!
Now I know that all of you here are a bunch of mad people. Go and call that woman now. Go and I will scatter this place now. Go her now, right now. Go and call her. You mad?
Who?
Go and call that thing that call herself a quack doctor.
No, we don't have a quack doctor here. We only have Dr. Maria.
Confirm Dr. Maria.
It's like people are trying me, right? Go and call that thing now. Call her out here.
I don't want to kiss her drum. I want to kiss it in my butt. Let me call her for you.
Emergency! The only doctor I'm in a emergency.
You are mad.
Emergency.
Do you know you're a stupid person? Do you know that you're a mad woman? You're a psycho. You need a doctor. Hey! You are sick in the head. Do you know that?
Hey!
What did she call dead me?
A
motorcyclist. You called dead me a motorcyclist.
This mad woman. What did you tell my husband that got him so angry and upset when he came back home?
Oh,
what did you tell him?
Is that what you are here? Is that what you are here to do? Huh? Or you feel very cool? It's all right. I told him the truth.
What truth? Hey! Bless me, you don't enter. You don't enter. They warned me. They warned me, but I did not listen.
You know what's the truth that Dr. Maria is speaking about?
What truth? What truth are you talking about?
The truth is now because you does not have a womb. Yes! So you have the guts to come here to not shout. You're shouting at Dr. Maria where you know that I am trying to Uchegike. I am trying to Uchegike instead of me to Bohegike.
Shut that mouth.
They say that they told you that a respect.
Reciprocal.
Respect is reciprocated.
Respect.
Yes.
Respect is an hypocrite.
Yes, okay. A respect is a reciprocated okay.
Yes.
A respect is a reciprocated okay. But I give it you respect. You decided to overtaking it.
Let me warn you.
Overtaking your truth.
Let me warn you. Let me pretend as if I did not hear what you said. But if you do anything that will jeopardize my marriage, you will pray, let this land open so you will enter. If you try to...
You think that your wiseness. You think that you are your wiseness. The only thing that will make it your husband to spell it your life here and tomorrow and next tomorrow is the testness results. is the test result. Except he did not see yet the test result. Then you're here talking to me nonsense.
Dr. Maria,
you're a fool.
You wouldn't want to see my madness.
You are a fool.
You wouldn't want to see my madness. You would not want to see my madness.
I treated the madness.
You would treat yourself. Because treat yourself. You need a doctor.
Hey!
You're a psycho. If you try me, don't react like
nonsense.
But I'm not.
Emergency! It's okay. It's okay. Allow me to talk. The next time I snatch this woman here, I sack all of you. The next time you allow this woman to come here and vomited nonsense, I sack all of you. Do you hear it me? Do you hear it me? Do you hear it me? Nonsense. What are you doing on my office chair? Come on, get out of here. What are you doing on my office chair? Are you mad? Emergency. Am I your mate?
No.
Am I your mate?
No, just emergency. No.
This chair is my office chair. Give it a respect. A respect is what?
Reciprocate.
A reciprocate.
Podi and Katie did also.
Thank you.
Okay.
You're welcome.
I'm a Siama, one of Fumaka, original Dr. Maria.
Imagine!
One of Fumaka, original
Okay, then I told them again and
Baby, what are you looking for?
Nothing.
Nothing? And you scattered all my clothes?
Baby, just excuse me, eh? this be? Where could this be? There. Hey, you better be there. Oh. This place is just my last hope now. You are better.
Honey, what are you searching for?
Honey, nothing. Nothing.
What was the outcome of your meeting with Dr. Marian? I asked. I said, what was the outcome of your meeting with...
Don't you ever call that quack a doctor again. Don't you call her a doctor. Wait, you want me to answer you, right? You want me to answer your own question. Why didn't you tell me what you discussed with her when you came back earlier today? Eh? Why didn't you tell me? You want me to tell you my own? Rubbish. And listen, let me tell you. Don't you ever call that dirty woman a doctor in this house again. Rubbish.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. I believe this is what she's looking for. Only God knows what is written on this paper that she's looking for it. Eh? Okay. Let's watch and see. My father and Akuku after.
Hello, Francisca. This is not a laughing matter. This is serious. See, Francisca, I'm on the verge. I'm on the verge of losing my marriage. You are here portioning blames. What baffles me is that this lady in question is quack. She doesn't even know anything about science or about human care. But here we are. Eh? Here we are. That witch have already exposed everything to Kinsele. What do I do? I love Kinsele. I don't want to lose my marriage.
Calm down. No need to panic. Your husband loves and cherishes you. I'm sure that he will understand things if you explain to him.
Understand what? What will he understand? That I'm the cause of childlessness in this marriage? Or that I have lost my womb due to a series of abortions? Okay, fine. Let's say he understands. What about that his witch of a mother? Will she understand too? Eh?
Calm down. You're getting yourself all worked up. Relax. That man loves you and can't do without you.
Look at this one. Eh? Calling you just a waste of time and saliva. I was expecting you to give me one advice or the other. That is what other friends will do for their friends. Calling is just a waste of time. I was even thinking that you're going to give me one good advice. That is what other friends would have done for their friends. In fact, calling you is just a waste of saliva, a waste of airtime, and a waste of time. Please go away from my phone.
But please, which house of the compound where you want so that I go start to the arranger? Because if she come now, she no go even give you face. So which clinic? You know the clinic is very effective, yes. So this one now that will give you injection, you can even give your manpower.
You're still here? My prince, what are you still waiting for? Eh? I thought you've wanted away. What are you still doing here? Eh? I give it to you all your medicine, and you're still sitting here. Hope all is well. Please, wanted away. Your medicine is digesting.
I will be spending the night with you here.
Hey!
Hey! Hey!
My prince, now I know that your intention is not good. Now I know that your intention is not good. You want to rape me. You are a rapist. You are a rapist. You are a rapist. Went away. See, my house will not enter you. Okay? Please go away. Go. I don't want a problem. Please go. I'm begging you in the name of Chineke. Go. I don't want to insult you because you are the prince of alarm. I said went away.
Maria Zukwanike ke will love fake. Allow me to shower you with love. I have all it takes to make you happy.
I don't want your love.
I have all it takes to make you happy.
Izumi here have all it took to make me happy. Please, I'm gonna do. Please, I am begging you in the name of Chineke. Went away. Do you want me to insult you? Don't say that I insulted you. Because I don't want to insult you. You are the prince. Please. Mbokiti. Mbokiti. If he's stated finish, yeah. You told him to go. Packet everything. Stay outside here, okay? I am waiting inside to look at everywhere. You wanted to sleep here. Your intentions are no good. You wanted to rapist me. You cannot repeat me. Went away.
Mbokiti, I have to be on my way. I will see you later, okay? All right.
Hey, Mama. Please. Without being biased, how good and reliable is Dr. Maria?
My son, Dr. Maria is more reliable than reliable. She is a very good and qualified doctor. Everybody in this village and even beyond knows that. She diagnoses and cures all kinds of sicknesses, all manner of diseases. In fact, she is a gift from God to us.
Really?
Awesome, really. Are you not in this village? Yeah? Simran. As a matter of fact, she is the person I wanted you to marry. And you insisted on marrying your so-called love. Blessing. My son, why is your face like this? What is wrong? Or has it started bothering you that your wife have not been able to give me grandchildren?
Mama, please stop. Stop now. I'm fine. And besides, baby will come in God's time, please.
Your madness. I've been curing your madness. You don't want to went away. I'm telling you. I've been curing this madman. After I give him this injection, to get him and go and lock him in that cupboard, that iron cupboard, you can't go. But I'm sorry. I must cure dead him. Come and pitch up here before giving him the injection. Flog him. Tepiala. Let me injection him. Holded him well. Holded him well.
Idiot.
Oh, you have to yeah, hey, put your tele well. This thing will off what?
Anything. Spring my gen side.
What? Cheronganka.
Idiot.
Turned him the other side. Turned him. Hey, young I ran up again up come up. I ran up again up come up on gun. Orjiakor. You go for but I want his stubbornness is too much. You go for
Hello, good day, doctor.
You go for
Good day, doctor.
You go for
Hello, I'm talking to you, doctor.
Come on, don't touch me. Are you out of your senses? Yeah? Do you have Okoro in your brain? Eh? How dare you? Sorry. Holding it. How dare you budget into my privacy? Enough water. Eh? I told you to walk away the other time. Why came it here again? Eh? What did you hear? Don't anger me. Akuna.
Dr. Maria,
Akuna.
I didn't mean to upset you.
You upsetted me.
Please, I'm sorry.
You budget into my privacy.
I'm sorry, because I'm sorry.
You budget into my private part.
Dr. Maria, believe me when I said it was intentional. I came to apologize for what happened. I'm sorry.
No.
Please forgive me.
Your apology is not acceptable. Your apology is not acceptable. Cha-cha. Yes. Don't you know it how to knock? Don't they told you in your house before you came into somebody's house, you knock it. Then when they told you to come in, you went in. You came and budget into my house. Come, enter bathroom, saw my hotel. Eh? You saw my private. Is it right?
No, it's not.
If somebody came to your house and budget to your wife and saw it at her hotel, will you like it?
No, I won't be happy.
Will you like it?
I won't be happy.
Be careful.
I'm sorry.
Get out.
Dr. Maria, please, find a way you out and forgive me. Because, please. Huh?
I am done with you.
Huh?
Went away.
No. No. I won't go until
so what do you
tell
want?
me what is wrong with my wife. I don't understand her anymore. She's putting on attitude.
And how is that concern me? How is that concern me? I thought you wanted to school. I thought you were a graduate. I wrote everything at the result. If you want to know that what is wrongest with your wife, read it. When you read it, read the test result. Read it very, very careful, and you understood what is right there.
Okay.
Read it.
Okay, please. The truth is that I don't understand what you wrote here. Just help me out. Yamaka going. How time you feed the labor? I don't understand. Look at. Just look at what you wrote.
Hey! He called me an illiterate.
No, I
you
never said so.
You called me an illiterate.
I never said so.
You called me an illiterate. Okay, are you trying to tell me now that I don't know what I wrote? Are you trying to tell me now that I don't know what I wrote? That I'm an illiterate?
Well, I don't understand it.
You don't understand it? Then chop up.
Huh?
You chop up.
If
you don't understand it, you chop up. The only truth, let me tell you, if you know you wanted to school, the only truth that you will know about your wife, go and go on this thing. Read it.
But I can't go it now.
Read it very well. Go and read it. Then the truth of your wife is written down there. That is where the truth is mapped. The truth is mapped there.
Doctor, honestly, this thing is giving me a headache. How time if you
I said went away.
She went away.
You are bully dead. You are literate. I want something. Car.
You will lock right there. Onyara, took this madman, put him in a cage. Open that cage there. Lock him in there.
Put it.
Carry, put hand.
I got put her. Say put I bet from the in short from the you carry the head. Come hold this.
Take him and lock him in the.
When you're 3 months, all these small boys here. I know. What you come make this guy mad now? Small pikin like you. The poor baby is a war. And I'm going to put him. You gonna issue? Eh? How God? I'm going to eski. I'm going to Arizona. I'm going to put him. I'm going to kill him. I
forgot that kid. Because this man na inside the cave.
So I don't feel carry this way another 3 months. Now me and you go carry him.
Emergency.
I'll go emergency.
Emergency.
Oh, but you go there here. Don't tell you.
How do people believe so much in such an illiterate? Eh? I have developed headache just trying to figure out what this so-called doctor wrote here. Eh? Here.
Honey, so you are still trying to read this rubbish written by that quack mad woman. Somebody who is not mentally okay. Somebody who is mad. Instead of you people to take her to a psychiatric home, you left her there to start fooling herself. Eh?
But it works for other people.
I beg, forget that thing. Forget that hearsay. That mad woman I saw there, she can't even cure common headache. Talk more of fertility problem. She won't even be able to cure anything. I just went there to fulfill all righteousness because my spirit never accepted her in the first place. I went there so that your mother would leave me alone. So she will leave me in peace and stop suspecting me.
Bia. Leave my mother out of this. Just leave her out of this. For crying out loud, she's just doing what she's supposed to do as a mother. Eh? Even your own mother will do the same thing if she were to be in her shoes. Even you yourself will also do the same thing.
Like I said
Babe, please let me tell you. And you better mind how you talk to my mother. She's not your mate.
Like I said before, my feet will never step into that mad woman's compound again. What is it called? Clinic. It's not even clinic. I will never go to that clinic. That was what she wrote now. I cannot go there again.
If there is where we'll get our salvation, then you will go. Yeah, Gary.
Take it. Now come. Tie them together. Take me to that her clinic. Not even clinic. Rubbish.
Dr. Maria, Amasiama, wonderful Maka, original doctor, Dr. Maria, Amasiama, wonderful Maka, original doctor.
Connected.
Original doctor.
Why is he looking at his phone? He's not looking at his phone.
Dr. Amasiama, number one of Fumaka. She's a big Rama. She's a big delicious.
Okay, will you stop that nonsense? Eh? Will you stop that nonsense? Eh? You are here killing yourself. Yeah, do you know, sometimes I am convinced you have sense. Other times, now one of the kind of carpenter that made your brain what he used to conquer the brain. The sooner you are calling will not pick your call. Either will you call back. Only God knows the girl is on top now, promising heaven and earth.
Auntie, Auntie, I've asked you this question before, and I'm asking again. Eh? When are you went into your house? Eh? Have you not overstated your welcome? Have you not overstated your welcome in my clinic? Eh? Please come and went away. Come and went away. I am tiredness of seeing your face here. I am tiredness of seeing your face in my clinic. Please come and leave.
Don't say I didn't warn you. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Don't you know that Nigeria time and Obodo time are not for the same?
You are deceiving yourself.
Yes, it's not. He go to sleep by this time.
You are deceiving yourself.
He go to sleep by this time. That is why he is not picking my call.
Heaven and earth will bear me witness that I have tried my best. Flowers, the thing on ever will bear me witness that I have tried my best for you. The earlier you forget about Izunda and move on with your life, the better for you. Don't say I didn't warn you. Grab the prince with 2 hands now that he's still available.
Don't say I insulted you because you're the one that is looking for my mouth. I am tolding you now. Come and go. You're looking for my trouble, and I don't want people to talk. Say I'm insulted you. I am tolding you now, and I am tolding you now. Come and left you. Come and left your house. Come and left your house.
You lie.
You're looking for my trouble.
You lie.
Why are you pocket nosing everywhere I do? Why are you pocket nosing? Why are you pocket nosing everything I do? Why?
This girl. Do you know how many girls that want to marry the prince if he goes close to them? You are here, forming love for Izuna. Prince Ekukwalia, girl Seju. Iholagi. This boy got chopped up my name. Iholagi.
Aren't you not a woman? Aren't you not a woman?
So?
Aren't you have a daughter in your house? So don't dare them to go and marriage the prince.
The prince wants you.
I don't wanted him. I do not wanted him.
You must.
I don't wanted him at all. I am only for Izuna. Okay? Your husband is dead. You can marry the prince. Period. Yes. You are still seeing your menstruation. Go and marry the prince. Leave here. Leave here. Don't just dare to tell anybody that I insulted you.
Senseless.
Don't just tell anybody that I insulted you because you're the one looking for my trouble.
Maria, you are senseless.
You are the one looking for my trouble in this compound. Nonsense. Isn't that we came back for me? All of you for this village are jealousy. Everybody that are talking about Izuna, that I called him, he no picket. I called him, he no picket. He go picket. He is doing for his business. He container go came back. If he came back, I will clear him. He go clear for your eye. When I clear his container, everything go clear for your eye. You go came here and beg me for money, and I no go give you.
Dr. Maria, Amasiama, wanna fool my car. Original doctor, Dr. Maria, Amasiama, wanna fool my car. Original doctor.
Hello? Hello?
Original doctor. Original doctor. Amasiama, sabi wetin they do. Dr. Amasiama, #1 of Umaka.
This is why are you not paid my call? People are making mock of me. They told me that you abandoned me and traveled and ran away. Please don't put me to shame. Don't put me to shame. You know I loved you so much. I gave you everything that I had. I gave you my mother money. I gave you my clinic money. I sold my car to send it to you abroad. Now they told me that I am an idiot.
Since I was born, but now I am getting old. I have never seen this kind of loneliness.
It's true.
Jima, have you seen?
No.
Since I was born, I have never seen this kind of loneliness. Since I was born, but now I am getting old. I have never seen this kind of loneliness. Jima, have you seen?
No.
Since I was born, I have never seen this kind of loneliness. Let's end it. Ojima, have you seen? No, since I was born, I have never seen this kind of mumu.
Please don't make them think that what they told me is the truth. That you left me and went the wait with other people there. Please, Uzum, don't disappoint me. You know you are the only person I have heard. Uzum.
She never gets herself.
No, since I was born, I have never seen this kind of mumu. Bucket here. How we say go see baby we go love me like this, he go to die for me now.
She said that one not love.
What is
She said this one not love. As I see this one like this, he go end in leakageness. In tears.
No, but make we check him for the other triangle. If let's say if he go come back or keep to his word.
Ah, make I tell you, is not fit keep full for him promise. I tell you, is not fit keep full for him promise. I tell you.
If I check him for the other triangle, wow, if let's say you there point to, because when you see the village itself, when you the villa, you know they even reason herself.
You
don't even look with your face, you know.
You see the chair. Me now, they tell you say you don't marry white woman and two sharp Nigerian girls. Wait, you say you don't even marry Nigerian girls. You don't marry white girl with the sharp, with the.
Hey, Mama, say something.
She won't say, I want to use it. I want to eat. I want to eat. I want to eat.
Hello? 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 I am the one calling.
April Fool.
Come on, get them back to work. I said get them back to work.
We did duty already. We did duty.
Get out your duty.
So they have turned you into a woman. It was wine.
Mama, please, I don't
Woman
want
rapper.
this thing. Can you say woman rapper? Won't you eat from this food too? Or that's woman rapper.
Baby, you still cook it.
Yes.
Come on. Blessing. Are you sure you are taking Dr. Maria's medicine as prescribed? Because I cannot sense anything in this stomach.
Take Guinea.
I can't feel anything. No.
Take Guinea. Take Guinea. Take that poison. That woman is nothing but a quack and a liar. And my 2 feet will not step into that her stupid compound again. I won't.
Wait. What makes her a liar? Blessing. See, if there's anything you're hiding, you better speak up, so that we'll find a way to help you.
Hey! Oh. it have come to the extent of you raising your voice at me. What will I be hiding from you? What? Eh? Was it not in the church that you met me? I was the choir mistress when you met me. I was also the head of a sanctuary unit when you came. I don't smoke. I don't drink. I don't club. I don't even keep friends. I don't even keep male friends. Talk more of keeping friends. You know me now. I'm from a decent and a good Christian home. So, what will I be hiding from you? What do you think I'm hiding from you? Answer me. So, because I now live in your house, you now have the guts to call me names. No problem. Back to your question. Whatever I call her, that is what she is. She's quack and a liar. I mean, starting from that her useless stinking compound to that stupid drugs she gave me to take that is able to take one to her early grave. I won't take it.
Do you know how many people Dr. Maria's medicine has saved from going to early grave?
Abia.
If you know what God is using Maria to do in this village and beyond, you will thank God for meeting her.
Mama, I should be jumping up for meeting her, for meeting one dirty stinking quack doctor. You are the one looking for my trouble. I have done everything you asked me to do. I have gone to meet your Dr. Maria, yet nothing worked. Biko, please, allow God to come and bless us at his own time. Biko.
Blessed, I know you have a plan. I know you are from the marine kingdom. And you are in this family to ruin my son's life. To destroy this lineage. But let me tell you, you will never succeed. Blessing, you have failed. As far as I'm concerned, you have failed.
Hey, Mama, please, take it easy. It's okay. It's okay. Huh?
You know what? I believe that one day all these things will be over. Eh? And please, let me tell you, no one can render me useless. Because
your own is even the worst. In fact, you are a fool. Look at how you are tying rapper. Oh, you didn't belukunaga, you didn't belukunaga. You have to walk am I rapper? Woman rapper cable. I'm suck this breast. You see that charm? As far as I'm concerned, that charm they may expire.
Amen.
God will deliver. Adopt that charm in Jesus' name. Amen. You will see it.
Amen, Mama. Amen.
I wonder the kind of charm did this girl give to my son. Yeah? He is the one cooking, washing her pants, washing her bra, even going to the market. He virtually does everything for her. This is not ordinary. Hey, got my son tying wrapper like a woman.
Hey, Mama. Please, this is the test result from Dr. Maria. Can you help me read it?
Test result? My son, this is serious, son, and should be treated with immediate effect.
Mama, please, don't tell me you understand what she wrote there.
No, I don't. But it's only Dr. Maria that can understand this thing. And once Dr. Maria writes something, it means that the case is very critical. Something needs to be done.
Hey, Mama, please. Please, I want you to help me go to our office. Just try a way to find out what she wrote here, please. Yeah? I don't know why my instinct keeps telling me that this result has something to do with blessing. Yeah.
Okay. You're correct too. Okay, I will help you. Anything for my grandchildren.
Okay, thank you, Mama. Thank you.
I will get to the root of this matter.
Okay,
I'll get to the root of this matter.
Okay, thank you, Mama.
My son, come. Go and remove this wrapper. You are a man.
Wear nika or trouser. Look at her wearing bomb shorts, walking like it, but you are the one tie wrapper. Come. Let me have the paper now, since I'm going to meet Dr. Maria, so that I will give it to her to know what is in the paper.
Okay, Mama.
Oh?
Thank you.
I wish it would be about the blessing so that this girl will be in the house. Adadiaramu. Adaije mono. Adaije mono. Nedima. Dr. Maria. Diamosiama one. Hey. Adabasapunirugi. Asapirua. When you're honest again, I came with this result. I want you to explain what is in it. My son said that you should explain what is in this result. Please.
It's because of you. It's because of you that I'm going to cover what is in this result.
Nedalo.
I am angered. I am provoked. The Igbo in my heart is scattering, but it's okay. Nevertheless, I will tell you what is in this result. Because if I don't talk it right now, it might destroy plenty things in the future. Yes, it might destroy plenty things in the future.
Darling, Adoma, I trust and believe you. And I know that anything you say is true. And nothing but the truth.
It's alright. I will tell you what is in this result. Because if I don't talk it now, somebody's lineage will destroy. A line will destroy. So it's better I talk it. If I talk it, peace will day. Madam, I am telling you in your face right now that your daughter-in-law, Nwunye Nwagi, is a barren. She cannot give birth to your son, a pikin. All the pikins na your daughter-in-law belle is dead. Her womb is destroyed. She can never give birth to your son a child, except it's a miracle.
Dr. Maria, you mean blessing has no womb, is barren.
Your daughter-in-law can never give birth to a child. It's good now for the truth to be told than to keep the truth. So go. That is the answer. The result. Your daughter-in-law, Nwunye Nwagi, can only give birth to pikin. It's not miracles. Then your pikin, your daughter-in-law will give birth a pikin in her future. But as I'm speaking to you right now, it's going to be hardened. It is going to be hardened for your daughter-in-law to give birth a pikin. That is it.
So, you mean blessing is barren?
Your daughter-in-law is barren.
So blessing is a man.
Hey. Now you can went away. I've told you the truth. Madam went away. Do you want me to
don't believe Dr. Maria? killed me! You have killed me, Kinsley. You have killed me, Kinsley. Hey! 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 I knew it. I knew that this thing is not ordinary. Oh. Hey!
Mama.
Kinsley, you have killed me.
Why are you sitting on the ground? And why are you screaming?
I told you. I warned you not to marry this girl. Did I not warn you? Kinsley, didn't I warn you?
Mama, please talk to me. Stop being this dramatic. Eh? What did Maria say?
Hey, Maria. You want to know what Maria said? Maria said that your sweet wife, your beautiful wife, I cannot do without
Mama,
blessing wife.
Doing all these things,
Your blessing is barren. She is barren, she cannot conceive.
Mama,
your blessing cannot bear a child.
Mama, please stop all this. Stop this now. How can you say such a thing? Eh? No, tell me, Mama, don't you know who blessing is?
What did
you know her very well. She's from a very responsible family.
Don't you know who's it?
Mama,
I command the spirit of foolishness to leave you. I said let the spirit of foolishness leave you in Jesus' name.
Amen. Mama, there's no foolishness on me now. Please, I know what I'm saying.
If not because of God, if not because of God, kids of Kwara King.
Oh, I can't room now.
Apple can you go Kwara?
Oh, Hara.
Ara again, on your nutrients. On your Susu. I don't get nutrients. Nonsense, Cham Nina. What is
all this now?
Hey, don't provoke my anger now. Don't tell that thing. That three to leave my house. 2 men cannot stay in one house.
Mama, stop all this now. How can you be calling my wife?
What can I buy the Binona? Come and tell this guy to leave my house, oh! I will kill somebody! I will kill somebody!
Mama, easy.
Mama,
Jide, why you?
If you look at my man, if you look at my
stop, people are asking you.
Can't leave me alone. You got here. I just
crying. Stop this now.
My only son, I don't go, but God will save you. God will save you.
Blessing, how could you do this to me? Eh? After everything I did to make sure you are happy and comfortable. Blessing, why? Why did you play such a game with me? Blessing.
Honey, what game are you talking about?
You ask me what game, okay?
Honey, what are you talking about?
After 5 years of marriage, after spending all that money from one hospital to the other, meanwhile you knew all this while that we were pouring water on stone without you saying anything.
Honey, you are getting me more confused. I'm confused here. I don't even understand you.
I'm talking about the fact you knew all this while you could not conceive and you don't have a womb.
No. You did not say that, right? You did not say that. God, what have I done? What have I done to deserve all this punishment? God, I've been ridiculed by a lot of people, including my own husband. God, what have I done? God, I spent all my youthful days in service to you. God, I did all you asked me to do. What have I done? Why did you forsake me? Oh God. What have I done? Oh,
Baby, I'm sorry.
You told me something. You said in your word that your plan for us is of good and not of evil. Now where is my faith? Where is my faith? God, why have you forsaken me?
I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, come and bless me. Come and bless me. Come and bless me.
I'm sorry.
Let's leave my house. You have overstayed your welcome in my house. Leave my house.
Mama, leave me alone now. Mama, leave me alone now.
Blessing, this marriage is over. You must leave this house.
Just leave me alone.
It is
Mama,
over.
leave me alone now.
Mama, leave me alone. Mama, I'm respecting you.
Don't touch me.
I'm respecting you. Leave me alone.
Adam.
Mama, leave my clothes. I'm respecting you.
See, you are leaving my house.
Mama, you
are very, very wicked.
Leave me alone. Mama.
You are leaving my house.
Mama, please leave her. Just let her be now. Eh? Here now.
Mama,
you must leave this house. This marriage is
leave
over.
her alone. Leave her alone.
This boy.
Mama, I'm respecting
what is your own?
Mama, I'm respecting you. Leave me alone, no. Leave me alone.
Leave me
to leave me alone.
To go where? You know you are wombless. Why are you here? Eh?
Mama.
There are men that are divorcee, looking for your type, that are wombless, just for fun, to be catching fun. That is where you belong, not here.
Mama, I know you never liked me. I know you hate me from the day one. But how could you? How could you mock me in my presence because of my predicaments, Mama? Hey, Mama, you're a woman like me. Just imagine if I'm your daughter. Will you do all these things to me? Hey, Mama, you are just doing all this thing by treating me because I don't have a child of my own. But
you're barren.
God is watching you.
Oh, yeah, for you are barren.
I'm not barren, Mama. I will have my own child.
Where?
I'm not barren.
Blessing. Do you know that you are very wicked and heartless? So all this while you've been going from house to house, house of prayer, this house of prayer, to this house of praying and fasting, going to mountain, going to set apart. You've been deceiving all of us.
Mama, please. Take it easy. Take it easy with her now. Eh? See, Mama, okay, I believe that Dr. Maria is lying just to scatter my family.
Dr. Maria?
Yes, just to get back at me because of the wrong I did to her.
Dr. Maria cannot lie. She cannot lie. What she gave you is fact, authentic. Okay?
Mama,
your wife is barren.
Mama, please stop. I
don't like abortion. She spoiled everything with abortion. Can't you see? Charm!
Now stop all this you are doing now.
Charm has joined together. Holy Ghost! Scatter.
Mama, stop now.
Stop together.
Mama, please stop this. You know I don't like seeing my wife crying.
Scatter.
Mama, what's all this now? Eh?
Mama,
please stop this.
Nonsense. Get out! I feel one of my own. This is my house. Bless it. You are leaving this house.
Baby, please now, eh? Because now, please. Eh? Honey, please, I say I'm sorry now. Baby, please now, please. Because baby, please. It's me, oh. Okwamo, please, baby, now. Oh, baby, I'm even talking. You're still putting all these things. Please now, stop all this thing you are doing. Because please, leave me, I will die. No, I can't afford to lose you. Please, baby, I'm sorry, baby, please.
Leave my clothes alone. Don't touch me, oh. Don't touch my clothes again. Don't touch me, oh. I'm warning you now.
Please, now. I'm sorry now. Keep on saying I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby, because please now. People put you in a man now. Please leave this to your
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Go and get married to your mother. So there will be peace in this house. Go and get married to your wicked mother. Leave me alone, no. How come I can leave me alone?
I'm sorry now. I said I'm sorry. If you leave me, I will die. Please. I can't afford to leave you because...
Leave my clothes alone.
Please, baby, I'm begging you now. Please. Baby, oh, baby, leave all these things you are doing now. Leave it now. I said I'm sorry. Be cool. Please, I'm sorry. Please, baby. Oh, baby, please now. Look at me now. Look at me. Because, baby, please now. Oh, baby, I'm beginning to leave all these things you are doing. I don't like it. Please, I'm begging you. Please. I'm sorry, baby, please. Please, baby. I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. Please. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that. Please, forgive me. Please, I'm sorry, okay? I know I've wronged you. I'm sorry. Please.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. Please, I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
How many have you bought it?
This one.
I gave it to 1,500 naira. So what did you buy?
Now this one, you know, say I even top 100 naira. 500 naira. And this one expensive, expensive,
Idiots! Stupid mad quack doctor! You've tried, but you did not succeed. Now it's my own turn. I warned you. I warned you, this illiterate, mad psychophant. I warned you. I warned you not to try me. It's now my turn. It's now my turn. And we're here.
So you came out here to insult me.
And who are you?
Eh?
Wait, Kibu.
Wait, oh. Make I ask you one question.
Ask you.
So your happiness, you are happiness that your husband that giveth you a marriage put you in your house.
I tell you.
Did you listen to yourself?
Did
you listen to yourself?
You cannot give it to your husband the pikin. If somebody do this kind of thing to your brother, you brought a man and Kechoko, and your happiness that you do not give him, you've not given him a pikin.
I warned you. I warned you to stay away from my matter. You refuse. I warned you. I want not to touch the lion's tail, but you did. Now I will show you why the lion is the king of the forest.
You show it.
I will show you why they call me blessing in this video.
Ejime!
It's unbearable to you.
Ejime!
You are a mad woman.
Ejime!
You are a mad woman.
You show it.
You are a psycho.
You will show it.
I will disgrace in this village.
Come on, go. Sorry.
I will let them know that you are using this your quack doctor to cover up your witchcraft, and you are killing their children one by one. I will make sure you pay.
It's not by Igbo.
I will make sure you pay.
Let me told you.
Hey!
Let me told you.
Told you.
Let me told you.
Told yourself.
If I wanted here right now, I will expose everything to your husband.
What will you say? Have you not said it all? What will you say? Mad woman. What will you say?
Ejime!
What will you say?
She called me a mad woman.
You are a psychopath.
You are a psychopath.
You psychopath.
You are a psychopath.
You need a doctor. Now move it. Are you talking to me? Move it. Are you talking to me? Go. Go. Are you mad? All the kisadi.
Move here.
No, Mama, no. She's not going anywhere. No, now.
Oh, Nachagoko of Aya, Okoro Swena. A grateful blessing on Nachago na them. Are you okay in the head?
Mama, I'm okay. That lady, she's innocent now. She's innocent. I know you don't like her, and that's the reason why you are putting up all this attitude of yours. I can't do that too. Mama, you remember that we vowed in the altar of God that it's for better and for worse. How can you say I should drive her away because of her inability to give birth? Okay, Mama, tell me, has it ever occurred to you that I might be the problem? We shouldn't always blame the women for that now.
Kingsley, you cannot be the problem. I gave birth to a healthy, vibrant, energetic guy. You cannot be the problem. She is the problem and she knows that.
Mama, please stop now. Stop this,
Wait, you see, that girl is cursed. Her real name is supposed to be cursed because nothing blessing is attached to her.
Mama, please stop this. Stop all these things you are doing now. Why can't you just give that lady a breathing space? Give her some breathing space, Biko.
And what will she be doing here? Eh? What will you be doing with your fellow man?
Mama, please, please. My wife is not a man. What's all this now? Eh? Can you follow?
What is she?
She's my wife.
Someone that is barren is equal to a man. There's no hope. And that lady is old. She is Okoro.
Mama, what's all this now? Stop all these things now. Or should I run away from you from this house?
You will regret this. Why menopause? I'll stop. Menopause.
Mama, please stop. You can't say that my wife is already in menopause, please. Try to say menopause, stop and menopause. What
are you doing with her? Open your
Mama, you know I don't like walking out from you. I will do that now. I don't like this.
You know my problem. You are my only son. If I lose you now, this lineage.
Every time you keep on saying lose, you want to do or you are.
Listen with your head. No. You are still challenging me. Are you not saying the truth? What are you saying?
Mama, I'm tired. I will run from this house. I will run.
Okay, don't worry. You want me dead? Don't worry. I will die for you.
Mama, you will not die. You will not die. And stop all these pretense of yours. Can you fall?
Maria Amasiama 1.
Stop quoting my name.
Hey, my prince, you are here. My prince, stop patronizing this lady, oh. Stop patronizing her. This lady here, she is a scam. She is fake, as in fakest. By doing so, you are endangering your precious life. Just stop patronizing her. Makandigi.
Mr. Man, please calm down and tell me what happened.
My prince, there's nothing to tell. There's nothing to tell. All my own is that you should just stop patronizing this lady you are seeing here. She knows nothing. She is devilish. Just stop patronizing her. She's a killer. Killer. Quack doctor.
As far as I'm concerned, she cannot kill. Yes, she actually saved my life.
She saved your life? My prince, okay, she actually saved your life. My prince, do you take your life like this? You are not, oh. You don't know what this lady is using your blood to do spiritually. This lady you are seeing here, she is devilish. It's only God that knows how many people you have killed and used in that and sacrificed that your useless coven.
Mr. Man, please, take a chill pill. Whatever the problem is, we can settle it here amicably. Okay?
My prince, that's America. Man, that's America. She take a chill pill. And she take a chill pill. No problem. I will take a chill pill. And as for you, I will sue you to court for trying to destroy my lovely family and for counter defamation of my lovely wife. And for practicing and giving medicine without that number. Yes! Get your lawyer ready. My prince, I'm out. Take a chill pill there. Hey!
What are you doing? How did he?
I'm a Siama. Come on, buddy, for that woman. I see, come on, buddy, for that. Who the mama pano? Who the shaky body? Nobody the bum bunting for where you bounce.
I'm coded you quack.
Up go the mugu.
He coded me quack. Dr. Maria Amasiama. He coded me quack. He opened his mouth. Orjiakor. Look at that baby. He took it no, he dead, Kariama. He wanted to dead.
Amasiama one. Hey, don't me panaro. Don't go with you to go live.
Give me my money.
Your money.
Dog number one, Amasia. Hey, Bamba dog, in one package, I'm not too secure. No, you know thief.
Give me my money. I sold you. I sold you.
Na
money here.
No, gonna pile.
Give it my money.
Na pile.
I know it's of you how to get my money.
Na pile.
You get me my money now.
Hello, Nem. Hey, you can say that again. You know I'm now lagging behind. I don't even know what is happening in the village again. Just tell me something. Yes. Yes. Powerful. I know that people form Mugu. Yes, but this man I married, he's a Mugu. Mugu. Mugu with capital letter. Don't worry, this is just the beginning. By the time I'm done with them, they will know why they call me Blessing. He wants marriage. Our marriage culture will die here. What will I do now? Am I the only one that lost her womb? I'm not the first person now. And I'm not going to be the last person. How many abortions? Countless abortions. If na me be the womb, me I go tire. No womb. The old haggard fool. No, she will wait. She wants to have her own blood. She wants to have her own blood. She will wait until she dies. The one in the Okoro. People who adopt, have they all died? How must go? If they don't want us to adopt, that is their business. She's waiting to have their Baby, no. Baby, please. Baby, it's not what you think. Baby, please. It's not what you think. Baby, please. It's not what you think. Please, I can't explain. Please, I can't explain. It's not what you think. Please forgive me. Please forgive me, baby, please. Baby, please forgive me. Baby, please forgive me. I'm sorry. It's not what you think, please. I can't explain. Baby. Forgive me. Forgive me. I'm sorry. I can't explain. I'm sorry. Baby, please. I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm finished. Baby, because you can forgive me. I can explain. Forgive me, please. I can explain. I'm sorry. Because I'm sorry. Because I'm sorry. Forgive me. Yeah. What is happening? Here. You said it. My son, what is it? Get it on. What is it? Stop sobbing. Stop sobbing.
Mama, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for every wrong I did to you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me,
I have forgiven you, but what is wrong? What is wrong? Let me understand.
Mama, I thought I was protecting a human being. I never knew she is devil's incarnate.
What happened? Tell me what happened. What did you realize now? Tell me.
Mama, do you know that everything Dr. Maria said about this devil here is true? Do you know I was just waiting for you to return before I can throw this devil out from this compound.
Hey! You did not even need to wait for me to come back.
Hey.
I am solidly behind you on this. Do you need to wait?
Papa, please forgive me.
The prayer answer. No, now.
Papa, please forgive me. I'm sorry.
If you ever don't dare mama me because move it. Get inside. Come if you talk about I will kill you. Leave my house.
Are you mama used to do this? Are you mad? Go in there and pack your load. Go in there and pack out your load. Go in there. Are you mad? Hey, mama. You know this guy finished me. I thought I was in love with someone. I never knew that she's a devil.
Silly. Even if I can't give you a child and you know it, you will never be able to send me away. You will forgive me and welcome me back to your life as your lawful wedded wife.
Hey! What should I... Oh, mama, I'm not happy
It
right
is
now.
okay. Hey! It is okay. Go in there. God, thank you.
As I kiss you, I see your lips. I see your lips forever.
What are you still doing here? You daughter of Jezebel! Don't come close. I said don't come close to me. Don't! I just love you.
I love you more.
I'm so sweet.
I love you more, baby.
I love you more, baby. What were you doing? Packing your clothes? Oh no, please unpack it, please.
I should unpack them.
Yes.
Baby, just help me out, okay?
Oh, I should help you. Okay,
Yes.
no problem.
Baby, just wait, eh?
Huh?
I'll finish it. Don't worry, I'll finish it, okay? I'll finish it.
Okay. Oh no, let me help you.
Eh.
Yeah. I'm happy now.
Come here.
What is holding her? Listen, baby. You will go. Blessing. Blessing, come out. Come and leave my house. What are you still waiting for? At last, you are leaving my house. Hey.
I love my love.
Oh, you.
Baby, boy. Obi. Eh?
Malichan.
My handsome husband. Oh man, no more.
Oh, you.
Obi, boy.
Hey. Oh, one of.
Obi.
Oh, one of.
Asan.
Hey! I don't want to be a quad. Oh, you go one major.
Should I help you and shout? Hey!
Come and see daylight witchcraft.
Come and see daylight witchcraft.
Hey! Mama, please stop. Mama, please stop making this noise now. Stop making this noise. Eh? Mama, please, please. Nobody charmed me. Please. I'm in my right senses. What's all these ones now? Eh, Mama? Now, please, let me tell you this. You know how powerful you are as a man when you forgive your wife for her wrongdoings.
Yeah! Come and hear him. Hey! This girl has killed my son. May evil never look at us in this life. Oh!
Mama, please. There's nothing like evil here. There's nothing like evil. What's all this now? Every time evil. I have also. Hey, Mama. Mama, see, let me tell you something. I love and cherish my wife. I can't just abandon her because of some circumstances beyond her control. Mama, let me tell you, I'm ready to be with her even without a child. What is all this now? It's not a must that a baby will be bettered by us.
Hey.
Eh? We can still adopt.
Come and see what they have done to our son. Oh. Hey! Akwana makatiera okukaki. Hey! Etiegora wine about to kuche.
Mama, see.
Mama,
listen, let me tell you something. Chelu godu, chelu ba im kan kowale chelu. Mama, I did not do anything to your son. This is love. This is true love. True love conquers. We have settled our differences as husband and wife. We will appreciate it if you just let us be in peace. Because no long way, kind no long way. Baby, you will suffer
in this life. You will suffer. You will suffer.
Mama, please stop insulting my wife now.
You will never know peace in your heart.
Father,
fulfillment of peace apart from you.
Man of God.
Hey. So my son give it to her with a cushion and bottle. When they eat when this is my son, you find my son. Hey, you will never know peace in this life. Someone will do it to you. You see this is more. Someone will do more to you.
Mama, please stop.
You will never
I don't like this now. Stop insulting my wife.
Maria! You want to kill me? Hey! They want to kill me. Ewo. Oh, Maria. You kill me. I will kill you. Let me tell you what is wrong get with you. I have checkmated you and I've seen yet what is wrong with you. You have a heavy BP. You are having an hepatitis BP. Your BP is go high. Hey. Do you know what is buttered it? What is buttered is minded your business. Yes. You go on and poconated into my business. Anywhere you see anything concerned Maria, you poconos it. Anywhere you go and select anything concerned by Dr. Maria, you poconos it. If you minded your business, your BP, you go. If you don't minded your business, your BP, you're going to go higher. You're going to go higher.
Maria, oh, you are the cause of my BP, Maria. And you are giving me fake results. Maria, you kill me,
oh.
Maria, marry the priest. Let me have peace, oh. Let me have peace and give you peace too.
I should marry the prince. You that is here, why don't you marry the prince? What keeps you from marrying the prince? Go and marry the prince. You a woman. You a widower. A widower is supposed to marry somebody else. Am I lying?
Hey, Maria.
A widower is supposed to marry somebody else. I have checked you and I've checked your even there. You are under menstruation. Hey. So when you marry the prince now, you go get belly. If you get the belly for him, you born a pekin. Let me wonder you. Minded your business or else you go die.
Eh?
Yes.
Eh?
You go die for my matter.
Maria, I want to give you.
You go die for my matter.
I will not die.
I've told you.
You must marry the prince, Maria.
I have told you.
You must marry the prince.
Minded your business. Hey. Minded your business.
Hey, Maria, you give me. Maria, you give me. Hey, Maria, you give me.
Dr. Maria.
Hey.
I'm a sinner.
Maria!
Original doctor.
Obi, my love. Otto Tom, do you like the food? You know you are the only man who makes my fine husband. My lovely husband. Eh? You like it, right? You know I love you so much. You know, right? My heart, my handsome man. Hey, the man I do me, I can see where chop. Obi, my heart, be honest. No. When do you know? But I soon don't ask.
She's still feeding you with this charm. Eh? Castle! Go in there. Pack your things and leave my house. Go to your father's house.
Mama, enough is enough. Enough of this your rubbish show. I have taken enough. Enough is enough.
Oh, Mama,
leave my husband alone now. What is it? Eh?
Cursed.
Mama, you cannot stop love. Do you hear me? L-O-V-E. You cannot stop it. Or the one possible. Or the one possible. She cannot stop it now. You cannot. Nonsense.
Cursed. I said, stop giving him that thing. Oh, man. Curse. You are not a blessing to me. Go!
Leave us alone.
Free my son.
Your son.
Free him.
Your son. Small time you start lamenting that he sucked your boobs. You carried him 9 months. But he has been sucking these boobs for
5 years.
5 years. 5 years, right? Yes. He has been hitting me every night for good 5 years. He has been hitting me. So,
Mama,
what is the difference? What is the difference? Why can't you leave us alone? Leave us alone, this woman now. Happen I can look at you.
Gosh!
It's okay. I don't want.
What did my son do to deserve this from you? What?
It's okay, baby.
Free him. I need children that will carry on the legacy of this family. Leave my son, Cass! Leave my house. You must leave this house. I have scattered that charm. It will not work for you again. Shut up! Stop talking! Shut up!
Leave me alone now.
Leave us alone. Leave us alone. I have taken enough.
You are no more.
This man, leave us alone. Leave us alone. Your own is dead and gone. Leave my husband alone.
Has expired.
Leave my husband alone.
This charm.
You cannot do anything about it. You cannot do anything about it.
My son must be.
You cannot do anything about it. You cannot do anything.
Dr. Maria Amasiama. Doctor, Abiam Kankenegi. Because if not for you, how would I have found out that my wife was sleeping with her pastor? Eh? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Eh? Amoram, if I begin to thank you from now till tomorrow, the praises will not finish. You
don't need care to thank me. I have told you before. All thanksgiving belongeth to God Almighty.
But God is using people to do the Oguwonso and all that, and you are the person.
You're right. You're right. You're highly enough. You're highly enough. Now, you're welcome.
Amasiama 1. Dr. Maria Amasiama 1. Nwanyị na-agwọ ihe na-agwọ na nzuzo. Nwanyị na-agwọ onye ekpenta, na-agwọ onye ịba dị n'anya. The only doctor we have in this our village. Idiro Ibuo, nobody like you.
Oh me.
Amasiama nke izizi n'obodo ya. N'ala ụmụaka.
Come. Why are you looking at me like that? I don't understand.
There is something very important I want to discuss with you. Yes, you see? Don't be scared.
I am. Don't be scared. How am I scared of you in my clinic? You're the one that got scared of me.
Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. You see why I have to come close, because what I want to tell you is confidential. They say words have ears. It's thing is from inside of me. You understand? The thing is, doctor, you know, since I chased my wife away, I am now alone, and I don't have any other person to, you know, to make more with. You understand? You know, you are the one that even found out that it's been long I migremored before I now chased my wife away. So now I have prayed to God, say, God, give me a wife. I need a wife so that I have somebody I can make more with. After praying to God to give me somebody I can always make more with, after praying and praying, God now showed me that Dr. Maria Amasiama 1 is the right woman for me.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Why are you shouting? Why are you
shouting?
God.
Now I know that you are a madman. Now I know that you do not have that sense in your brain. I think that you are a person. You are not a person. Now I know that the problem is from you, not your wife.
Me, what?
Yes! You opened your mouth and came out here and told me that you want to make them more. Yo, I am the one that you make them more.
No, it's a dream. It's my dream. I had a dream. Doctor, let this dream come true.
Look at somebody that I treated for free. You came out here, I give it to medicine. Issue that I give it to medicine. Now you came in here.
Thank you.
You opened your mouth. Only Jerry and told me that you want to make it more.
It's a dream. Let this dream come true. It's a dream.
Now, let me wonder you. Before I opened my eyes and closed it, you get out of here. Before I went inside and I came back here and you stood here. That
is what they call dream come true.
Okay.
Let this my dream come true, doctor. It's a dream.
No,
make it come true. I love you. I love you. Come on, shut up, my friend. This is a fit to help me and talk to her.
Cha-cha! After treated he came out here to told me that he want me to Menigamo. She never follow you. Ala geri. Mama, come back out. How come back out? Mama, leave me alone. No. How come back out? Hey, you are looking for my trouble.
Wow, pack your things and leave my house.
Mama, leave me alone. No. Leave me. You are the one looking for my trouble.
You must leave my house.
You are accusing me unnecessarily. Not that I don't know what to do to you. How can Mama if I'm getting? Leave me alone. No. You are looking for my trouble in this house. Leave me alone. No.
What else is remaining? Have you not finished my son and myself? Go in there, pack your things, leave my house. You have overstayed your welcome.
Mama,
you must leave my house.
My name is Blessing, and I've been a blessing to you and your son. Leave me alone, this old woman, before your BP will go high. Leave me alone, no.
BP, kill you there.
Hey.
BP, wherever.
I know what to do.
You must leave this house.
Mama.
Evil woman.
Mama, leave me alone, no. Mama, leave me alone, no. Mama, Mama, as I said before, I don't manufacture babies. Your mates, women like you will go down on their knees, going to chapel, going from one prayer house to the other, asking God to bless us with child. But look at you. You are here shouting every day, ranting, making noise. Will your shouting bring babies? Is he going to bring babies? Is he going to bring babies?
Hey.
Leave me alone, no.
God cannot give someone without a womb a child. There is no womb to carry a baby now.
What about you? See who is talking. You stayed for 10 years, 10 whole years before you gave birth to my husband. You think I don't know? I have your records. I have your records in my palms. 10 whole years. Why didn't you give birth within 1 month or 2 months or even 9 months of you getting married to your husband? It's obvious. It's clear that this childlessness runs in your lineage, not me. I'm a PK. It's from your lineage. Go and look for what is happening to you people. Leave me alone. You want me to leave? What if I leave and he married another person? The person still not give birth to a child. What will you do? What will you do? What if the person did not still take in? What will you do?
Cause you are just an evil child. Leave my house. At least I have a womb. Your case is different.
Why
you
did
don't have
why
a
did you
womb
stay
at
10
all.
years? Why did you stay 10 years?
The difference is clear.
Why did you stay 10 years?
You cannot have a child.
You're also a barren woman. For you to stay 10 years, you're also a barren woman.
Leave my house.
Mama, before I count
leave my
1,
house.
2, 3. If you don't leave me.
I said leave my house.
If you don't leave me. Mama.
You must leave my house.
Mama, leave me alone. Yes, Mama, I'm looking for who to beat you. Mama.
Leave my house.
Hey.
You are leaving this house.
Mama.
You are leaving my house.
I will show you my other side though. Leave me alone though. Mama, you're looking for who to beat you. Mama, leave me alone though. Mama. You're looking for who to beat you. Mama, leave me.
I will kill you.
I will beat you. I will beat you, this woman.
I will kill you.
Hey. Hey. Mama.
You must leave.
Mama. Mama. You're looking for who to beat you, Mama.
What's happening here? Get out of my Mama, what is it? Quavo, Blessing.
She fired me.
Why are you fighting my mother? Are you mad? Are you mad?
You're beating me up till today.
Beating you?
Yes.
Beating you? And your mother is on the floor. You're telling me that she has been the one beating you.
Mama has been the one beating me up.
Mama, please.
Look at my body. Look at my body.
Water. Mama, get up. Get up.
Hey, leave me alone. Just leave me alone. She has been the one beating me.
You know I love and cherish. You see this woman, I don't joke with her. If she updates, she just
has been beating me.
Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, please. Stop crying.
I am trying.
Mama,
My waist though!
This is my
it's okay now.
Hey!
Mama!
My waist though!
Ma, sorry. Doctor, welcome.
What's happening?
Okoro, and I win him.
Oh, she fighted.
Yeah.
She fighted. Eh? She wanted to kill you. You see her?
Why you, Dr. Maria? Easy now. Hey. Why you?
You see her?
Mando. Hey, why you, Doctor? Why you, Biko? Easy now, Mando. Sorry, Mama. Sorry, Ma. Ndo. Sorry. Doctor, didn't want you. Hey, why you? Do you know why you, Dr. Maria? Take it easy, please.
You see, her ukutungas, her hair, ukutunga, uku.
Okay, you mean the waist, her waist?
Yeah, her waist is jam location. Everything here is scattering. Everything here is scattering. You see, you have to be mandate of who you talk to. You have to be mandate of who you spoke to. Because witches and wizards is in this compound.
You see witches and wizards?
Yes!
Bia, Onyala. I know here no one. You will not mind the rubbish you came here to do. Psycho France.
I'm a digging pants. Digging pants, also pants, and I'll go.
Bia Njidegi. Apo dan Njidegi who fell over this.
If
I catch you, I'll just throw you over this fence.
You see, now she's spoken. Fearless conscience faded no accusation. I did not collect your name here now. Ibrianishi. Fearless conscience faded no accusation. But it's alright. You are Adekwensu.
Can you just shut up and
you are Adekwensu. Let me tell you.
It's okay now.
If you don't you're here telling her it's okay now. Let me tell you something. Point of correction is in English language spoken. Point of correction. You see this woman here? If you do not take care if you do not get careful about her, she dies.
Please do anything. Help me out, please.
If she dies, the blood is in your head.
Doctor, please, she will not die. Easy now. Oh. Mando, sorry. Please.
Catch what ya musu. When you're treating that patients, imagine you will all go by Megani. Because of why? Ndamusi is landed here. Because of Indiana pint. Cocoa pint. Cocoa pint. In our pint. Pint one again also. Cocoa pint. Cocoa pint. Ndamusu.
Kia. Will you just keep quiet,
Ndiala. Oya, Mba. Where is your hammer? I hope there is hammer in that box. Mba, bring hammer. Nails.
Listen, if anything happens to my mother, I swear, you will see the other side of me.
Honey, please, calm down. Nothing is wrong with your mother. She's a liar. She's only pretending. I didn't even touch her in the first place. She's the one that beats me up.
Are you mad? I thought you said that my mother is a liar. And she's the one lying there in critical condition.
Baby, listen. Your mother only showed you what she wanted you to see. I didn't touch her. I did not lay my hands on your mother.
Hey! Blessing, you have finished me. Ibugum,
No, tell me, what will people say out there that my wife beat my mother up and I could not do anything?
Baby.
Huh?
Baby, how can you say such a thing? I cannot do such a thing now. You can't be a very decent girl from a good Christian home.
My friend, will you just shut your mouth up?
How can I touch your mother? She's also like my mother. I can't do anything like that. She's the one that beats me black and blue. Instead of you here consoling me.
Console what?
Eh?
My friend, listen, I'm not happy now. I'm not in a good mood now. And I'm even Neku.
You are still shouting on me. You are still shouting on me. Dala. Mad people everywhere. Kreba Musuano. Kreba Musuano. Kreba Onyalano. Come out here. Where is she? Come out. Osochiebu. Osochiebu. Homebreaker. Homebreaker. Amusu. Amusu, I know now. You are frustrated because no man wants to marry you. Why would they even marry you? Who would even want to marry a deranged sick woman like you? That's why I want to scatter my own house now. That is why I want to scatter my home. You failed.
Look at who.
You failed.
Look at who is spoken. Look at who is spoken. A wound damager.
A deranged brain.
A womb damager.
A sick person in the head.
Your womb is a damage.
Your brain is deranged. You know what? I have come to laugh at you because your little plot did not work. And now, you thought I was going to leave my husband's house after exposing my little secrets. No! Look at who is standing gidigba. It's me now, enjoying my sweet loving husband. No, you are pained, right?
Oh, why,
you are pained.
Why you go pain me?
They pain you because you are frustrated.
Why you go pain me?
Because you are frustrated.
Let me told you.
Told you.
Let me told you why you are still sitting in that house. Let me told you. You are still sitting in that house is now because your husband, man, is a charmer. You are using a charmer to charm him.
Hey, so now
you are using a charmer to charm your husband. Yes.
So it's no longer a damaged womb. It's no longer scattered womb. It's no longer a woman being a man. Now it's not charmed. I said it. I said that you are a witch. Because it only takes somebody who does charm to identify his fellow or her fellow charmer. I said it, but I will expose you. I will expose you that you are just hiding under this quack native doctor to kill people.
Hey!
I will expose you in this village.
What did you call that me?
Quack.
A quack?
A quack.
You called me a quack?
That is what you are.
Dr. Maria is now going
to cure yourself.
Do you know how many people that have cured in this kingdom?
You are sick. Cure yourself.
You called me a quack.
Cure yourself.
Do you know how many people?
Cure yourself.
Now get out. Went away.
Let me warn you.
I am told you right now.
I am warning you right now.
Don't anger me. Don't anger me.
Stay away from my marriage.
Don't anger me.
Stay away from my marriage.
Don't anger me.
Stay away from my marriage. If not, no guy in this village. No guy in this village. I am warning you right now.
She called me a quack. Dr. Maria, a quack. Dr. Maria! Dr. Maria! A quack! It's alright. You came back again. I am here, waited for you. You go came back again. It's alright. Dr. Maria, a quack.
Mama, hope you're feeling better.
Cancel, my son. How can I feel better when that girl is staying in this house? Eh? Please, send her to her father's house if you want me to live long.
Mama, that one will be hard though.
There is nothing hard. That girl is evil, Or do you want to die?
Mama, nobody can kill me. Except God says it's my time.
Hey, you are not getting the point. For a whole 5 years, this girl has kept all of us in the dark. Eh? If not for Dr. Maria that just revealed everything. My dear, that girl is evil, like I said, and I don't want to lose you.
Mama, you will not lose me because stop sounding this way. Eh? And besides, I can't send my wife back, you know. No, I can't do such thing. That is inhuman now. And remember the vow we took before God. I want to go to heaven, no. I don't want to go to hell. And I don't want God to use that as an excuse to send me to hell. Mban.
Which God again? You are already in hell.
Huh?
You know already. With that girl in your life, you are in hell already.
Mama, please stop all this.
Stop calling God. Stop calling God because you're already in hell. Kinsley.
Mama, stop this. I came out, I thought maybe you were even sick. That's the reason why I'm asking you.
This girl will kill you. I don't want to lose you. Mama, you are my only son. Gini ko onye Kinsley. Hey! Elikwaya o. This girl. Nwanyị. Odogwu nwanyị. Oke mmụọ. Nnukwu nwanyị ka ibi ya. Hey! Odogwu. Dr. Maria. Siama. One. Adorable. Hey. I am here to thank you for coming to my rescue. God will increase your wisdom. Nikumad,
You are highly known. Nikumad, let me tell you something. Now only God seeth in the black and in the white. And Dr. Maria saw what it and seeth in the black and the white. So all thanksgiving belongeth to God.
But God is using human being. And God is really using you to save lives in this our community. If not you, how would I have known that she is without a womb? How would I have ever imagined that she is barren? Hey, I am so happy. But Dr. Maria, do you know the worst part of it? My son refused to send her away. I don't know what is wrong with my son. My son wouldn't listen to anything I say. What is the reason of marriage if not for childbearing? If not to reproduce? Whenever you say it to my son's hearing, it will be a problem. I don't know what that girl gave to him. Oh.
Mama, let me told you one simple question. The law of Kuma,
You mean the law of karma?
belongeth to God.
Yes.
Leave it unto the heaven and the earth God. So ya George. Nake ga Georgia. But let me tell you something. I am angry with you. I am very, very angry with you.
What did I do?
You know, Dr. Maria, I see it in the black and in the white.
In a Finchan, Mama.
I know that you lied. When I came to your house, I saw it everything. You do not have it jam location. Your ukutungas do not jam it together. You only format it, which is wrong.
This location,
No, I don't like it. I was angered. And I am told you now to let you see that I am angry. Please, don't do it again.
I will not do it again. I am so sorry.
I only keep it quiet because I know it that your daughter-in-law is evilness. Her evil is making your son to be scattered.
Thank you so much. I will not try that again. It is condition that made crayfish to bend. Okwan condition. I'm sorry. It will not happen again.
It's alright.
I only fabricated that lie so that girl will be sent away from my house.
I keep it for you.
I
forgiveness.
My person, Dr. Maria.
Why
I man? Amasiyama.
Case closed. Case closed. You can went away.
Thank you.
You can went away.
Thank you. Oh, Nemo. Oh,
you can went away.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Told that your son to be carefulness.
Dr. Maria, Siama, one of Fumaka, original doctor. Dr. Maria, Amasiama, one of Fumaka, original doctor. Original doctor. Original doctor. Amasiama, sabi wetin it dey do. Dr. Amasiama, number one of Fumaka. She's a big rama, she's a big illusion, she's a big rama, helele. She know they look good your face, so she know one know will be. She know they look good your face, so she know one know. I wait till you they do. She go tell you anything what you see for your body. If you carry yama, she go tell you, oh. She go tell you something. She go tell you something.